Addressing a huge crowd in her constituency, Mahendraganj Meghalaya TMC leader Dikkanchi today lambasted the NPP-led MDA government and questioned them on two fronts: illegal coal mining and women welfare. She started off with a simple question: what has the MDA government done for the state? It is widely known that illegal coal mining is rampant in Meghalaya. Every day, numerous people are losing their lives due to this. Yet, the NPP-led MDA government repudiates this whenever we raise questions in the Meghalaya Assembly. Attacking the current dispensation further, Dikkanchi said, "I wanted to make a maternity and child hospital in this area as many infants have lost their lives. It was sanctioned 5 years ago, but the MDA government has not initiated any work till date. What's more appalling is that, on the floor of the assembly, we were told that the work will start soon, but nothing has happened so far. The people of the state will remember all these fake assurances given by the current government and give a befitting reply via ballot paper in the coming elections."
Ji kamu dongi aci mantang tang ni didrang ko, antang tang ni family ko, ji dor mahamat naci nirok sandingan cem, yarang ko gemat nar tanang aha. Arwan again, dentang, ya teacherang jerangan, dentang kategori ni teacherang donga cem, warang ba dor maharang ko manjai bang neng nekan nirang ko manang aha. Arwan again, nija batang gemen sumoy rango. District Council ba tangka pa isa rangko manja daw District Council ni aaram ko ba bi mohol ni aaram ko ba pali chainga border area Assam aro Meghalaya ro Assam dong pa aaram ko ba pali chainga ansing ya Boldamgri Khalaichor area de ansing de Assam oni bangi chilja kilometer wa zonzo narang di wan dak chapai jo yan ona kilometer bri bungarang wa tau de ansing ni ya arang ko ba Assam na anga wiya na sibang sakan tian talo na ba ang baksa bakreminga aro na simang ni hasani bakremani ang baksa dongani gemanan anga term gini mansa na song ni solo nani gemanan emelyong inga aro mekhang chiba na simang ang baksa bakrem mangkugen ni ang bebera aru chini sorkari Trinamool Congress sorkari naman gen simong ode dalo ansini batanggaman sumoyo je development rangko anseng development ni rengsi rangko ha raki ansini area rango matnacem warangko labai unna kita mangen aru mengsako ha kanang nagtaska ya Khalaichor border hat ko Congress government dongmetungo ansini batang gamen sumoy chief minister uba Dr. Mukul Sangma ya border hat ko kulian atsem